Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off announce incoming calls on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings screen, we scroll down and tap on phone. Next, tap on announce calls. Now to switch it off, you can tap on never. To turn it on, you can choose always. So always announce incoming calls. When second generation AirPods and some Beats headphones are connected, you can answer a call without saying "Hey Siri." You can also select headphones in cars only or headphone only, or never to switch it off. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.